Now, oftentimes when cleaning your carpets, a spray, scrub, and wipe process isn't quite good enough to get your interior perfect. That's why at Adams Polishes, we offer the best tools possible to get your car looking perfect. Now, Adams Polishes offers Mytee Carpet Extractor products, and they come in different shapes, sizes, and features, and each one is designed to benefit you, the user, to get your carpets and your upholstery perfect. We have the S300 and we have the S300H. Now, the H on this one stands for heated. This has a heating element inside of it, so when you put your solution, like Adams Polishes Extractor shampoo, or any solution for that matter, it will go into this unit and you can actually turn it on and heat the solution before it comes out of the nozzle. Now, the one that is the non-heated, yes, it's effective, but it's not going to be as effective as a heated one. Now, moving on to the Mytee Light. Now, this is significantly a bigger unit. I would say first and foremost, this one will offer you more time with extracting, okay? It has a bigger tank in it, so you can work for a longer period of time. You know, if you're a professional detailer, you're somebody that is doing carpet extracting more than most, the Mytee Light is going to be a unit for you. Now, with the Mytee Light, you have this hose that is to aid in filling your Mytee Light extractor. You connect this straight to a faucet. If you're using this more in like a shop or a garage, you can take a standard garden hose, fill it up right here as well. But when you hook this thing up, as you can see, the main hose with the extraction, so this is where the vacuum part is coming in, goes on, and actually you can twist this on. So it secures it really nice. And also the solution section, pulling from where you put your extractor soap and your water, is just a quick disconnect here, so it makes it very, very easy to use. Now, on the Mytee S300 units, whether it's the heated or the non-heated, a couple standard features are the 25-foot power cord. 4 wheels on these, very, very easy to get around. Now, when you connect the 8-foot hose, you slide this thing right on here, and it's ribbed, so it should stay connected. And then you have a quick disconnect here for the solution that just clicks in really easy. Now, on the heated units of the S300 or the Mytee Light, they actually come with a heat guard hose wrap, okay? So this is gonna go around the section here, this section right here. So if you do grab it, even though the water is extremely hot through the heated units, it's not going to burn your hands. Now, with the smaller units, you don't have the drain tube, so you need to unscrew the back of the unit here, tip it, and drain it out wherever you're doing that. Whereas with the Mytee Light, you have a drain tube in the back that you can pop the cap, lay the hose down, and it will kind of drain itself. If you're okay with having the unit go around your car and moving it from side to side, the smaller unit will probably work okay for you. Whereas the Mytee Light has the 25-foot power cord and has a 15-foot extractor hose. Now, the head of the Mytee units has the clear plastic on the top, so it allows you to monitor what you're extracting or how much you're extracting. Now, when it comes to getting your machine ready to start extracting, once you get your solution filled, so using the Adams Polishes extractor shampoo mixed with the water that goes into the unit, first things first is you want to prime your carpet extractor. And this is for all the units here. So priming your carpet extractor means getting your extractor hose set up and your solution hose set up. First, turn the water pump on the unit. Pull the trigger of the extractor, and what you can do is aim it back into the solution container here. You want a steady stream of the water and extractor solution going back into your unit. You can go ahead and turn the heating unit on. The heating unit takes roughly 10 minutes to really get going, and then turn the vacuum thing on. Now you're ready to get extracting. Now, once you're done using the machine, make sure you empty the reservoir tank, right? You don't want that nasty water sitting inside of there for longer. Now, whether you're a professional detailer, a detailing enthusiast, or somebody that needs to take care of carpet regularly, any one of these units is going to be a great tool for you.